There is a good reason they call these ceremonies commencement exercises. Graduation is not the end, it's the beginning, Orrin Hatch. And this is very true. We are at the end of our high school career, but we are at the beginning of our lives as well. We are starting our future as young adults, unafraid to conquer any challenge that is thrown our way. We are the next CEOs, the next social media inventors, the next NASA engineers. We are anything that we could put our mind to. And this all started the very first day that we walked into Ocean Lakes High School, little freshmen making sure to keep out of everyone's way. Each and every one of us had a fire, a passion to do more that burned in our hearts. Along the way, we gained many friends and many enemies as well. We have learned so much more than we thought and succeeded in ways we never thought possible. And some of us blossomed from those scrawny freshmen, and some of us stayed scrawny. We will all go our own way, some into college, some into work, and some will take a year off. But no matter how far we go in life, high school will always be a part of us, and who we are. It is here where we had our first date, our first bad grade, our first love, our first car, our first dance, and our first all-school assembly. It is also where we will have our last dance, our last high school class, our last SOL, our last goodbye to those we will no longer see. But these are the last of high school, not the last of our lives. We will have a first in college and first in life. Our road does not end here, no. It only gets wider and stretches much farther. There will be many forks in the road, and one path will be chosen, but as always, the best path is the one less traveled. So as I sum up my reminiscing, high school was a time of pain, of sadness, but it was also a time of amazement and of excitement. And although not all of us enjoy our experience, we are all affected by the decisions we made throughout our career here. Put your best foot forward and conquer the world. Go class of 2013!